Welcome back to episode 46. If you've been watching previous episodes, you'll probably remember that we've been invited by Newton Commercials to have the car on the stand to display the new interior that Newton's recently designed and which will be launching at the Bingley Hall Mini Show. After such a long journey with the restoration work, this is like the icing on the cake for Smugwood Mini and a great opportunity that I can't miss. But it's no secret that I have issues venturing outdoors, and in the last 5 years I've probably not even left my own postcode. So we had to put a plan in place so that if I didn't make it for whatever reason, the car could still be on display. It took a lot of planning, but the long story short, Dennis volunteered to take the car and I would be following behind, and if things got too much I was free to turn around and return home. I won't lie, this was tough. And everybody involved knows the anxieties I was facing with all this. And there was a couple of issues along the way to Bingley. But eventually we got there, and fortunately it was a straight run all the way there. We hit no traffic, and on entering the grounds it was set up in such a way that everything was organised flawlessly and with no waiting around, which really helped. We actually arrived quite early, so it wasn't as busy, and this helped with getting set up. It also gave us time to have a wander around and see how things were set up before the show on Sunday. I've used a few suppliers throughout the restoration, but Minisport have been our biggest provider of parts and it was good to see familiar faces. Things like that always help calm anxieties, and I'll give a big shout to Tom from Minisport, who spent a lot of time with me sorting out lots of parts of the car over the last few years. The car isn't going to be finished until summer, so we still have things that needed sorting out, and even on the day we were having to sort out the wheels and set up the suspension. I had a little walk round to familiarise myself with the hall, and it was good to see all the different minis turning up. Quite a lot had driven the minis to the shore, we're having to clean them ready for Sunday. We were lucky enough to have the enclosed trailer and it was fairly clean on arrival, but Paul met up with us to give the car a quick once-over with a rapid detailer from Autoglym. Newton Commercials arrived shortly after us, and it was really good to finally meet the team who had made the interior for Smugwood Mini a reality. Usually when I make a video, I try and have it all planned out on how and what I'm going to record, but because I had no idea if I'd make it or I'd be able to stay, I literally just went around Bingley with my camera whenever I had 5 or 10 minutes to myself, filming anything I could. So footage isn't the best, but it's nice to film something for me to look back on as a keepsake. Anyone who videos a show will know it can be quite tricky because it's such a busy show. The Newton stand was really busy all day, so I didn't actually get much footage of my own car on the stall, but it was nice to be able to see and film a lot of all the other cars and hear everyone's restoration stories. So much hard work goes into restoring these minis, but the end results can be amazing, and everyone's mini, despite being similar, looked different than the next. As well as the minis on display inside the hall, there were literally hundreds of minis outside, all parked up and resting after being driven to Stafford, and it was certainly worth a good walk around outside to check them all out. Despite all of my own personal issues, I actually really had a good time. The mini scene is very welcoming and feels almost like an extended family. I was so glad to be part of it and very thankful of Newtons for putting the trust in me and allowing us to be part of the team for the day. This isn't the end for Smugwood Mini, this is just the start of a new chapter. I've got lots planned, I'll still be making the videos and continuing the episodes on YouTube, and I'll still be popping in to see Dennis every once in a while and making sure that everything's running smoothly with the Mini. The car won't be fully finished until the summer and funds allow, but I can't wait to get onto the roads for some filming outdoors and be in the sunshine. I'm also looking forward to watching everyone else's Bingley Hall videos, and a quick thank you to everyone who came over to see us and chat with us at Bingley. It was a really well run show, I really enjoyed it, and who knows, I might even have to pop down next year.